Water photovoltaic power generation has become a hot topic nowadays. How to install photovoltaic piles securely on water. Check out the professional floating photovoltaic pile driver. This water photovoltaic pile driver integrated engineering mechanics and hydraulic control system, specifically designed for floating photovoltaic projects. Adapt to various complex water environments. 180 rotation in both directions. Simple and flexible operation. Every move is precisely calculated. Ensure the stability and safety of photovoltaic piles. Through high-frequency vibration, accurately drive each pile into the bottom of the water. Provides a solid foundation for photovoltaic panels. Water photovoltaic pile driver. With its high efficiency, stability, and flexibility, recognized by bosses. The longest length can reach 24 meters. Strong ability to adapt to working conditions. Laying hundreds of straight and neat piles in one go. Super efficient. Pile driver. It is becoming the preferred equipment for the construction of floating photovoltaic power stations. We believe in purchasing professional engineering equipment. Find a professional manufacturer. They Machinery. Make your construction one step faster. Make a lot of money. They Machinery. Born for efficiency.